So we have to integrate log x. You know that we don't have any direct formula to integrate log x, and log x is the single thing. So we are not getting idea what I should take as z, how I should implement. Okay, so what I am suggesting you guys, just think about integration by parts. So can I expect one time log x means if I'll do this thing, do you think I have manipulated the question? No. So first function is 1, second function is log x. Now we will be applying integration by parts using the formula I let. Okay, now inverse we don't have, logarithmic yes we have. So logarithmic function becomes the first function. Okay, now look at let's apply the formula. So first function integration of second function minus whole integration differentiation of first function into integration of second function. Okay, I hope till this part you guys are okay. Let's do the integration. So integration of 1 is what? X. So it is x log x minus differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Integration of 1 is x. So this thing gone, again we have to integrate 1. So x log x minus x plus c. So the integration of log x is x log x minus x. I hope the idea is clear, and from now onwards you guys can apply these ideas and you can solve so many illustrations. Okay.